Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today, my group want to present about craft coffee cafe for the final project. Okay. Our group member is first presenter is Nur Adam bin Abdul Rahim. For second presenter is Muhammad AIMAN FIKRI bin AHMAD FAHMI, and then for third presenter is NAJMUDDIN SABIR bin HASRI. For the background of this system, this system is very challenge of traditional coffee ordering. Because it took long line and delay during busy hour to make ordering frustrating for customer, and also its error and confusion in manual process that can lead to receiving the wrong coffee. Why craft coffee cafe app use? It's to simplify and improve the entire coffee ordering journey and to provide a smooth, enjoyable experience for both customer and cafe staff. Objective of this project is to allow customer to customize their coffee order based on preference such as type, size, the temperature and additional option. Then automating calculation of total cost for each order. Then generate digital receipt for customer to review and keep record for their order, and also to assist cafe staff in managing order more efficiently, allowing them to focus on delivering quality service. Platform that we use for implementation is Java Swing. Why we use it? Because it's mature GUI library. We have familiarity and skill set to use it, and it also compatible with Java SE. In this project, we has many GUI class components such as JFrame, JPanel, JCombo box, JCheckbox, JSpinner, JText area, JRadio button, JScroll panel, JText file, JPassword field, JLabel, JButton, and JOption.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad AIMAN FIKRI bin AHMAD FAHMI, 2021461412. So I will present about the screen design because of my scope is for the user interface and user function design. So this is the login panel. So we can see the username and password, and the title there for the staff login. Welcome to Craft Coffee Cafe. So when the staff put the username, which is admin, and password 12345, and it can log in into the application site. So this is the design for the invalid username or password. Why I use the username or password, and I not state about the username or password itself is wrong. So I just mention both of two because in case of security. So if the user, which mean refer to the staff, can log in, So this is the full view of the craft coffee cafe to take the order. Okay, this is for the list panel. We have 3 for coffee, cup size and milk flavor. Okay, for the coffee, we have cappuccino, latte, mocha, macchiato, flat white, americano and espresso. 8 type of coffee. 7 type of coffee. Okay, so for the size, we got 3 size for the cup. 4 different price, of course. For small, medium and large. Next, we move to the milk type. Okay, milk type to customer for choose it, to staff to key in it. Okay, to select it, which is whole milk, low fat milk and oat milk. And there's a difference between the coffee that doesn't use milk, which is americano and espresso. So we call it as a special handler. So this handler will excuse the milk selection like slide before. Okay, for the milk, if the staff select the americano and or espresso, so there will no milk choice for the staff to select it. Okay, next we move to the coffee selection panel. Either hot or cold, we use the radio button. So it will choose either one, either hot or cold, and it cannot choose both of hot and cold. Okay, if the customer want to make a new order, so just add to cart. So just add the menu, and I will explain after this. Okay, this is the add to cart panel. So for the add to cart panel, if customer want to add the menu that they want, so just click. Staff just need to click the interface here. Okay, that's suitable for customer request, and then it will add to cart. While add to cart, staff can add more customer menu. Okay, that's all from me.
Okay, to calculate all orders panel, okay, so once the customer has already made all of the orders that they want to purchase, then the user, which is the staff, will then calculate all the orders that the customer made. So in order to calculate all the orders, they will click on the calculate all orders button, and then eventually the total cost for all orders will show here. So for example, here the total cost for all the orders is RM3. Okay, next is receipt orders panel. So once the total cost has already shown, the user can print the receipt for the orders made by the customer. So the user will click on the print receipt button, and then the print receipt will show. Okay, right. So for the conclusion, in conclusion, the Java app development for the cafe ordering system enhances the overall customer's experience through an efficient ordering process, automated calculations, and the convenience of digital receipts. This is not only streamlines operations for the cafe, but also provides a user friendly and modern approach to the ordering and payment process. So this is the reference that we have used throughout this project. Okay, so lastly, the GUI understanding. Okay, a graphical user interface. GUI is a visual interface enabling user interactions with software through elements like windows, icons, buttons, and menus. Users can click, drag, and drop elements using a mouse or touch input. So GUIs improve user experience with an intuitive, user-friendly design, reducing reliance and command line interface. They include frames, panels, buttons, and text fields, and are widely used in desktop web, the mobile application for seamless navigation. GUI design prioritizes clarity, consistency, and responsiveness, ensuring effective communication between users and the application.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Aiman FIKRI bin Ahmad FAHMI. So I will present about the simulation. So as we can see, this is the login app and coffee cafe app. Okay, both of this file. Okay, we need to run it at the login app. Okay, so we run it. Okay, as we can see at this interface, it will appear that user, which refer to the staff, need to key in the username and password. Okay, let's say we put the wrong password. Okay. Okay, if user put the wrong password, it will appear this message for invalid username or password. It is in terms of security so that nobody can just access this just to randomly put some number and try either username or password if you put it separately. Okay. Okay, so we put the right password. The right password is 12345. Okay, and the username is admin. So we click login and it will appear for the next interface. Okay, let's say the staff of this craft coffee cafe accept the order from the customer at the counter. So let's say the customer order the latte with the medium cup and choose either hot or cold radio button. So let's say it is hot. Okay, hot and cold is different price. Okay, milk, three type of milk that customer want. Okay, but these three type of milk with the same price. Okay. Okay, additional flavor want to click the checkbox or not click. So let's say the additional flavor is whipped cream. So let's say quantity is 3. So we just click add to cart button. So it will appear order cart. Yep. So if the customer want to add, so just click add to cart. Okay. This is special for Americano and Espresso because Americano and Espresso doesn't contain milk. Okay, so you can click Americano and no selection for milk and also Espresso. Okay, let's we say the Americano for the small cup quantity is 2 and we can click we cannot click to choose the milk because it not contain any milk. Okay, we choose the hot Americano. So we click add to cart. So this is the second order. So if you want to calculate all, so just click calculate all orders and it will appear the total cost. And we click OK. Okay, this is the receipt interface. So it appear that 2 orders but different type of coffee. Okay, we can see milk is not available for the Americano. Okay. And for the latte, okay, low fat milk is chosen by the customer, and the whipped cream added flavor. So this is no whipped cream added flavor because we does not click at the check mark. Okay, then we print the receipt. So receipt printed successfully. Okay. Okay, next I will explain about the clear section and receipt. Okay, for the clear section, it is function to the quantity and whipped cream. Okay. If you click the clear section, then it will reset to the actual value, which no click at checkbox and 1. Okay. And then for the receipt, and then for the reset, it will reset the whole of the interface, include the order card. Okay. Okay. Okay, that's all for the all function. So that's all at in the simulation presentation. Thank you.